here we have Stella Weds, linen, ivory, colour, cardstock in 255 PSM. This card has a medium to heavyweight feel that suits a wide range of craft projects. This card has the linen texture on one side and plain on the other. The ivory colour runs right through the core, which helps keep the finishing consistent when the card is cut, creased or folded. It can be printed, but we don't guarantee it will work with your model of printer. Most of our customers have had good results, provided your printer can handle 255 GSM. For crafters who want a versatile card, it can be die cut, embossed, hot foiled and painted as well. If you need linen ivory card for your next project, this is a straightforward option to take a closer look at. We also stock a large range of colours, sizes and textures in our range.